Okay, so it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks has gone by since we last sprayed our Morning Glory. And I want to show you what happened. Okay, come here, check this out. Remember I sprayed all this? It was Morning Glory growing through. Look what happened. Look what happened. It died. It died. It died. It died. Some new stuff grew back, but look, it's struggling. So what's happening is it thinks it's getting food, but it's going to just kill it eventually. But look, all that Morning Glory spread throughout all of this. There'll be some outcroppings that occur, but for the most part, it's working. Now check this out. Come check this out. You remember all that Morning Glory we had in this flower bed right here? Look, it's gone. There's a few outcroppings, and we'll just hit those. But that stuff is gone. So we're excited about that. Check this out. That's all Morning Glory right here on that. See where it's cascading down in the corner up against the window well? That's all dying. So that's how you eradicate Morning Glory. But keep in mind, it needs a little dose once in a while, a little extra dose. For those little outcroppings that get they have a little attitude. Because remember, Morning Glory roots are expansive, right? So we got to keep coming back after about 2 weeks and give it another dose. But make sure, whatever you do, the recipe that I gave you, do not spray it on the lawn, or you will be replacing your lawn, okay? Happy Morning Glory hunting. If this video was helpful and you gained from it the tips and tricks that I offer and some of the things that I've learned over the years, be sure to like and subscribe my channel, Mark's Lawn and Garden, where you'll be notified when new videos come out. I try to post once a week, so be sure to like and tap the follow button so you get notified and stay in touch. Very important. Thank you so much for your support, and be sure to put in the comments things that you want to learn about, things that topics that you might want me to cover that would be helpful to you and your family and your making your project and landscapes better. Thank you.